Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about 5 YouTube automation niches. Doing your YouTube automation niche research is really important. Finding the niche that's going to suit your interest, that's going to suit your base of knowledge is really important. And finding a profitable niche, monetizable niche is really important, because there is a lot of niches non-monetizable. You just can't monetize them, the niches. You can get some good views, you could get high subscriber count, but it's not monetizable. So finding a good monetizable is really important, and today we're going to discover 5 of them. We're going to discover their videos, their income, how much they're making, how to make their videos. So let's begin. The first niche is space. Everything I'm going to talk about today is faceless, and everything I'm going to talk about today is automated. You can automate it yourself. You can make it yourself. So this channel called Space Matters, and they got 252,000 subscribers with 117 videos. If you go to their about, they have 47 million views. That are some impressive views. Their oldest video is, they started like 2 years ago, and if you go to the popular section, they have some good videos. Like this is for 4.8 and it's 1 hour, so this video alone generated a lot of money. And this is 4.3 and it's also 1 hour and 34 minutes, sorry. This is 3.9, this is 2.3, this is 2 million. They're pulling some serious views. This niche is monetizable. And if you go to their top keywords, and by the way, I'm using the vidIQ Chrome extension. Their top keywords are space, documentary, universe, solar system, astronomy, science, and there's and one of them is YouTube automation, because they're a YouTube automation channel, faceless YouTube channel. If we go to Social Blade, we can see they're generating around $112,000 a year. That's US. And that is based on I think $4 CPM, which is, in my experience, is like a low CPM for this niche. So it's probably higher, and if we go to their monthly gained views, they're averaging like 2 million a month, which is very impressive. It's good. And for their monthly gained subscribers, they're averaging like 15,000 a month, which is really impressive. Here's 10 and here's 15. That's very impressive. The second channel, the second faceless automation channel, is called Bound. They have 73,500 subscribers. They have only 10 videos, and their most popular one got almost 1 million. And their oldest video got 2 months ago, which is their first video, got 500,000 views. It's a very simple concept. They rely on like funny voiceovers, which are relatively easy to make, and it's a very high demand, low supply niche. Yeah, they generated around 4 million. That's pretty impressive. Although I've noticed it's an aged channel, it's an old channel, but they only started posting 2 months ago. If we go to their Social Blade, you see they generated around like $107,000. And if you go to their monthly gained subscribers, see, they only started like this is video views. They only started 2 months ago. So this is the first month and this is the second month. Not bad. And the same thing for their subscribers. They only started 2 months ago, which is really impressive. These videos, they rely on like these bad animation and funny voiceovers. That's it. This is the whole concept. And a lot a lot of SEO. Let's go and check their top keywords. Again, the top keyword is YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channel ideas, make money online, how to start faceless YouTube channel, yeah. ChatGPT faceless YouTube, Canva, yeah. The third faceless YouTube channel in the list is the interpreter. It's a very, very simple concept. It's a funny commentary on like memes and bad animation. So they have 23,000 subscribers and they have 101 videos. Their most popular one is this one, every unsolved mystery explained in 12 minutes. It's got 600,000 views, and the oldest one is 6 months ago. These types of, like, in my opinion, the old internet used to be like this. It's like bad animation with commentary, and people start to love this again. So this is a very, very good niche to start. If you go to their Social Blade, they got $48,000, and let's say they've been gaining some good views. Yeah, they've only been for like 6 months though, so they have 700,000, 500. It's going up. The trend is going up, and for their subscribers, 3,000, 4,000. Yeah, it's good. It's a very good niche. I like this niche. It's funny, especially when you're eating something. People love this. When you're eating something, or you're just like, you want to sleep, you just pop one. The fourth faceless YouTube channel in the list is Life Advice, which is about motivation, inspiration, and education. This is by far, this is the easiest niche, in my opinion. This is the easiest one to make. It's super simple. It's a very simple concept. You need some ChatGPT stuff, Canva, and you can make endless videos. So if we check their stats, their most popular one got 5.9 views, and the oldest one is 1 year ago. They have 31,000 subscribers, 35 videos, and they have 6 million views. So if we go to their Social Blade, they generated around $22,000. Not bad. And if we go to their views, they're losing some attraction, but they're gaining a lot of views though. And for they're averaging like 2,000 subscribers a month, and for their views they're averaging like 500,000 a month. Not bad, but again, for faceless YouTube channels, what you need is consistency. Just keep doing again and again and again and again. And now the last one on the list is Brightside Abandoned Souls. It's about mystery and very easy. You just look for stories online and you just make them into stories with ChatGPT, and then you create the voiceovers for free with 11 Labs, and then you just go to Canva and just create the thumbnail, or you get in my opinion, I don't like using AI for thumbnails, but hey, if it works, it works. So if we check the stats, the most popular video got 155,000, and their oldest is like 2 months ago. And if we check their top keywords, mystery, discovery, ancient history, ancient civilizations, yeah, documentaries. And if we check their Social Blade, they're pulling around 40,000 a month. A year, $40,000 a year. And there's no stats because they're operating for like 2 months, so there's not a lot of stats. But it's a very simple concept. Literally anyone can do it. If you check, it's all AI. See, you could easily just hire freelancers to do it, or just you spend the time to make it, and it's really profitable. This is a life-changing money here for a lot of people, because if you can make these videos, you can make like 4 channels, each one's gonna pull you like $40,000 a year. That's a life-changing money. So that's it for today, guys. Here's the 5 niches you can pursue. Go to these channels, do your analysis, do your research, and if you guys enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate. I'll answer. I will answer every question and every comment. Take care, guys.